Whose wrench is this?
I don't know. Nobody's?
It's in a dumb spot.
Kind of wrapping up on the 66 Impala for this season here. Winter is coming. It's October, I don't know, 8th, 7th, 8th, something like that today. And I gotta get the other rigs in the garage here, so this thing's got to go home. But made quite a bit of progress from the last video that I took on it. So yeah, cleaned up all the electrical in here. Got a new alternator in it, new water pump. Cleaned up some of the other stuff too. Brakes, front brakes are all finalized in it. Nice CPP disc brake conversion kit is done up front. Got that rounded out. Got the fuel line in. Went through 4 fuel pumps, which is pretty sweet. 2 mechanicals that I had sitting on the shelf that I thought were good, but apparently they weren't. They wouldn't pick up any fuel. And 1 electric one that was putting out a little bit too much pressure up to the carb here, and I don't have a fuel pressure regulator in this thing, nor do I have quick access to one, so I went and got a little bit lower pressure of a pump, just a regular clicky-clack Edelbrock 2 psi to like 3.5 psi type pump. So yeah, that's in there. Fuel system all works. It's ready to go back home to its rightful owner for the time being. Did run into a little bit of a snag with the front suspension. See if I can crouch down. I don't know if you guys can see it. Probably not, but the front
Today, Junior?
driver side wheel has got a little bit of excess camber in it, which is lovely. Most of the front suspension is pretty much clapped out, so we're gonna get a whole front end kit for this thing. You know, center link, ball joints, control arms, idler, pitman, everything. We put tie rods, fresh tie rods in this thing. Gave it a half-ass alignment, but with everything else being clapped out, it's still not the greatest. So we'll get it there. That'll be a next year thing for sure. But overall, it starts right up. Idle's pretty nice. It sounds good. It spins tires in second, which is very surprising. But it's big, torquey, big block, so. But yeah, that is the progress. Oh, also we got fresh wheels and tires on that thing, so should be a lot of fun next year, I think. So.